Did 2 races out there in the full rig. Man, that was tough. I haven't had a full rig sail in a long time. That was 10 to 20 knots. It's gorgeous out here. Welcome to Clearwater. It's so nice. This is beautiful. Alright, we're here at Clearwater Beach. Wow, it's freaking beautiful. Look at that shit. That is amazing. Alright, we're here. We're at the Gulf Coast Masters, you guys, first day. It's going to be a treat. I'm excited. My hat doesn't fly off. Looks like the 420s are going out. They've got some Opti kids out there today that are not racing, but just practicing. So these guys hard at work. Hey, good morning.
Morning. Good morning.
Good morning. I'm Rick Lully. I'm going to be your RO for 2 days. I'm going to be assisted by Alex and Carter and Mark and Evan on our boats. And we've got some wonderful wind today. We're going to try hard to get 4 in. We'll do our best to talk to some locally knowledgeable wind people here. This is my 4th year running races in Clearwater, so I'm not brand new to it, but I'm spent my entire life here. The course is W4. For those of you who are world sailing fanatics, you might expect that 4 legs would be called W2. It's not. W4 is 4 legs plus the reach finish. The chances of using W2, in my mind, are close to zip, because that would be 2 legs and a reach finish. There will be a course change board. I think you've all probably seen one that looks like this with green triangle. We've even got starboard at the bottom, so you don't have to go below and try and find your rule card as to what the green triangle means. Does that mean port or starboard? On the back, we've got a red square, and that'll say port. If there is a change in distance, it'll be a plus minus as well. We're going to display this off of the signal boat. We'll make lots of irritating noises, and you'll be able to see what the change is. You'll also be able to see, look to windward, and you're going to see the new marking position. Trying to get in 4 races. Let's get out there. We'll do our best to get things set as rapidly as possible. Chance of a postponement? Yes. Don't know if any of you have seen a Lima flag, but we'll put one up. That means please check in. Come on by the signal boat. We want you to be happy. We want you to have fun.
You have water. You can have water on your boat.
Okay. Yes. Signal and any of the committee boats can hold your water containers and hold your extra water containers.
We have a cooler as well.
Do we have a cooler on the boats?
Yeah, definitely on the mark set boats, yeah. The gray inflatable on the dock is bottom mark. Probably that's the best.
Somebody's got a breakdown, so that just need a few minutes to So you start the next race, guess what? That's reason to postpone. There's only 9 of us here competing, so I think everybody wants everybody to play. You can throw objects at the race committee. Let's go have some fun.
Thank you. All right, that's it. Day one complete. I did 2 races out there in the full rig. Man, that was tough. I haven't had a full rig sail in a long time. That was tough. That was 10 to 20 knots. It's a little party going on down here. People just hanging out. But I had to call it quits. That was rough. That was too much. I don't want to blow my knees out and just be in a whole lot of pain tomorrow. That kind of defeats the purpose. Check out the dolphin kind of riding the wake back there. Pretty cool. There he is, surfing. It's kind of crazy in Florida that you can just pull up on any beach, pull your chairs out and have a great time. I love that. Clearwater is just one big beach.
There's still one more thing I must do before I go.
Now we're gonna go in, go get a nice margarita and hang out, enjoy the rest of the day. Don't feel pressured to finish races, guys. If you're in pain or you're not having fun out here, obviously first knock out your controls and see if that helps, but after that you don't want to get hurt out here, guys. But we're here to have fun. So Gulf Coast Masters first day. It's a blast. This is so beautiful. The venue's amazing. I hope you guys do it next year. We'll be back.